Here I've got the LG V40 ThinQ, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So at first, let's open the phone dealer. That would be the first method to open IMEI numbers. And then there's a secret code, which is *06#06#. And that's it. As you can see, both IMEI numbers are included here, and you can quickly check them with this secret code. Now let's go to the second method. You have to open settings at first, go to the general, click on about phone, and now pick status to locate your IMEI numbers. Here they are, and under hardware info you will be able to check your serial number as well right here. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily locate both IMEI and serial number in your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.